Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we are back on a brand new drone flight. So yeah, we are here in Boston Manor in the London Borough of Hounslow. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so what we do, we just got up high in the sky. And we're just gonna so it took me a long trek to come here. So I was like confused where to go. And I thought it was a recreation ground in this area, but it turns out it's not. Google Maps took me to a place where there was gates, so I had to walk all the way around. Well, what I'm going to do a 360-degree photo in this area.
Max altitude reached.
What I want to do, I want to just do a 360-degree photo, and we're just going to zip around. Alright, 360-degree photo is now complete. We're now just going to zip around. So for now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go towards this little area down there with the Sky Sports, as you can see right there. Let's go to that area. See, there's a big windmill down there. Look at that. That is insane. Look at that building. Get a nice shot of the area. So you can see Sky Sports right there. Look at that, that's an amazing shot. What we're going to do, we're going to come back. So basically there's a Tesco in the area with a big Tesco sign on top of it. I want to get a shot of that. Let's go towards it right there. It's in that area down there. Actually, you know what? We're gonna lose out the drone in a minute, so we better just turn back. I wanted to get a shot of that Tesco sign, but I think I'll do it in another drone flight when I go close to that area. Where even is that Tesco sign? I think it's all the way down there. It's a nice spring day, isn't it? Look at that. Amazing shot. So I'm not sure. Oh, look at that. That's a Tesco sign. Look at that. So it's a big Tesco on top of it. So I'm flying in the London Borough of Hounslow. So I'm flying in the part east of Hounslow. So obviously most of the borough is covered by a no flying zone for Heathrow. So that's why I'm flying here. Look at that. You can see the big Tesco sign, Tesco logo. Look at that. That's amazing, isn't it? Can't beat it. That's why I wanted to fly here, for that. We've got a big industrial area down here. Look at that. Get a nice shot of it. Looks really nice. These industrial buildings. Apparently to Sky News headquarters. This is actually insane. Look at that. Getting a shot of Sky News headquarters. And you can see Wembley Park in the background, as you can see. And you can see Central London. That's North Acton, as you can see that area down there. And it's like an industrial area, this area. Look at that. That is an amazing shot. Sky Sports building. So what should we do now? Where should we go? Let's go. See, there's a scrapyard down here as well. Let's get a nice shot of that. The digger that's active right now. Active at the moment. Look at that. Let's get a shot of that. And over here you can see a river. Well, not right now, but you can see the River Brent, which runs through the area. Looks a construction area, look at that. Get a shot of the diggers, look at that. That is a sick shot. Really nice shot. It's all the way down there, as you can see. Let's get a low down shot of it. Let's keep getting a shot of that. Literally like a summer's day though. The sun's really hot. Look at that. That is insane. Interesting, isn't it? We never really get shots like this. See big claw machines, look at that. It's a scrapyard. Really interesting to get shots like this. Static shot. That is so sick. I just want to stay here for a bit just to get a nice shot of that. Spectating. And I forgot to mention, this battery is almost charged, fully charged by solar. So this drone flight is completely solar powered. I've charged it from my solar panel in my garden. Got a solar panel which I'm doing a video on, Flex Solar. And it's a fast charging solar panel. I charged my drone batteries with that. But I didn't charge it fully. And then on the way here, I charged it at a station. So yeah, most of it's solar powered. My mini 3 battery is completely normal charged. I charged that at the station as well. I was going to fly earlier, but then I realised my other batteries are knackered, so I had to charge it, because I was going to put in my power bank, charge my power bank, but my power bank was dead as well, so I had to charge at a station. Good thing I had my fast charger, because that charges quite fast. Look, looks like an industrial machine that processes all the scrap metal. And the good thing is when we stay static, we get a longer drone flight because the drone's not moving, it's just staying steady. Really insane shot. Look at that. Let's get an orbit shot of it. I've got enough shots of that now. Let's go towards another area. Let's get a shot of the motorway down here. Let's get a shot going down here. Look at that. A nice shot here. As I walk towards the bridge. What we'll do, we'll just come back now. We're not going to go too far. Look at that, that's a 6 shot. So that's getting a shot of the M4 motorway, it's M4. Let's get a top-down shot of coming back. Let's go in sports mode. Look how fast the cars are going. Of course it's a motorway, so. Look at that, it's amazing, isn't it? And the wind's slowing us down. We should be going faster, but we're not going as fast. See, the traffic we're going in flow with, that looks much slower because the drone's moving with it, but in the opposite traffic is moving much faster because it's going at a fast speed and our drone's literally going counter towards that speed as well. So we're getting a nice shot here. See, the wind's slowing us down, right? It's not that windy today, but it's enough to slow us down quite significantly. Look at that nice shot. It's so sick. We can go down here towards the main part of Hounslow. We're going towards the wind. The drone's drifting basically. It's not even that windy though, so I think up there it's windy. So I'm not going to proceed further because I don't want to risk the drone not coming back. Let's go a little bit closer to it, but I'm not going to go as close. Let's go towards the north area. I want to go towards this little depot of Boston Manor. Just going to get a quick shot of that before we come back. Look at that. There's no trains there, but it's the Piccadilly line trains we can see. Can you see the Piccadilly line trains? You can see one train pulling up the station, as you can see, right over here. So anyway, we're going to land a drone in a minute. So you're wondering why my 360 camera is a bit lower down. That's because I've somehow scratched it. It's been a bit scratched, so I'm using the other side because it kind of disturbs the footage. When I flew yesterday in northwest London, in Kingsbury and Harrow, my battery, my DJI, I did the balancing act while, because usually it's quite hard to fly with my bag and holding the drone to take off, and I think I dropped it, and as a result I scratched it a little bit. I tried to clean it but I couldn't clean it, so that's why I'm flipping it the other side. But hopefully I can clean it. I might replace the lens on that and hopefully it'll be cleaner, but for now I'll just use the other side. So yeah, let's land the drone now in sunny Hounslow, sunny Boston Manor. I might fly somewhere else. I've got my second battery charged up, mini 3 battery, and I'll go somewhere else after this, which will be my next video. So that was my drone flight in Boston Manor in the London Borough of Hounslow. Look at that nice bridge. I was going to walk past that bridge, but I realised this way is quicker, so I'm going to walk through this way instead. It's a nice area, bro, especially in this weather. I'm just going to walk down this canal. It's not a canal, it's like riverside of River Brent. That's the area though, ain't it? So canals here, look at that. Silly bank, look at that. Can we go down there? Nah. Where will that lead us to? Imagine. Alright, I made it from Grand Union Canal all the way to here. It's for my other custom power bank, but I'm making a video of that soon. It's fast charging as well. Oh, so going a long way around. I made it here finally. Between two boroughs, I was flying in Hounslow. This is actually in Healing, so. I'm going to end this drone flight now. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.